that is shown below. Okay. So what will be the resistance between terminal A and B? So they are asking the main resistance between terminal A and B. Okay. Now listen here. So once there is an interconnection, okay, in between or inside the triangle means it is called what? Star. Okay. So I hope you know about the delta. Delta means when it looks like this form. Star means it will be look like in this form. Okay. So you can make it as a star like this. Okay. So we have the conversion. So the conversion which is from delta to star slash star to delta. Okay. So first one we shall see the delta to star conversion. Okay. So I can draw the circuit once again in this way. So I can make a upside lift. So I just draw A here and then something here. So I just form a small triangle here. So here one more resistor is available. Here another resistance available. Look here. I'm just inverting. Just simply I'm just flipping the complete circuit. Okay. So here as the same, I'm just making a point here. I'm just making a point here. While coming through, there will be some resistor also available, right? So I just forgot to draw the resistor here. Resistor. I can point as A, B. Listen here. This base I'm keeping here. Okay, in this base. Okay. So the resistor in between A and B is R, A, B. Okay. And then resistor, one more thing, and then resistor in between. Otherwise, I just keep AC here. Okay, AC here. So a resistor in between A and C is AC. This one is B. So R, A, B. You can make an AB as this base also, or AC this base also, BC this base. Any base you can make it as any form. So in between the gap of BC, the resistance is RBC. Okay. So this resistor comes from RA is RA. Now it has come from C, and this is RC. So this is come from B. So this is RB. Okay. So this one is RB. So with this one, I can form the formula for RA. To find the RA is equal to, listen here. So this RA coming from what are the points? RA is between RAC as well as RAB. Okay. So RA is in between these two, RAC as well as RAB. So RAC as well as RAB. That means a dot. Whole divided by divided by. You have to add all combination AB, BC, CA. Okay. AB, BC, CA or AC. So divided by RAB or AC or BC. Okay. Like I said, right? RB. RB is equal to, listen here. What is RB? RB is here, right? RB is in between RAB and RBC. So RAB as well as RBC. The whole divided by the same denominator. RAB into RAC into RBC. Okay, that's all. The next one RC. RC is equal to, listen here, RC is in between AC and BC. Is it right? AC and BC. Okay, so R is equal to RAC as well as RBC. The whole divided by same thing. RAB plus RAC plus RBC. This is the delta to star conversion. Okay, this is the delta to star conversion. Now next one, star to delta conversion. Okay, star to delta conversion. Okay, then the star to delta. Star to delta represents very simple. The same we have found out for RA, RB, RC. Like this here, RAB we have found out RAB is equal to, listen here. In this one, RAB is equal to O and L available means RA available as well as RC available. Okay, RAB means what other than B you have to take. So RA cross RC. Okay, and then plus RA cross RB plus RB cross RC. Like a simple AB, BC, AC. Like this, everything will come here. Listen here, who and all available? A and B available. So except the A and B, only C is pending. So RC you have to write here. Same way, or AC. Okay, RAC. So now I'm just getting AC here is equal to the same numerator, RA cross RC plus RA cross RB plus RA cross RC. Okay. So what is the left one in between A and C? B is one, right? So divided by RB. Okay, that's all. Then RBC is equal to same numerator, RA cross RC plus RA cross RB plus RA cross RC, the whole divided by what's on pending. A is not here, right? So that you have to write the A here. Okay, that's all. Then look at here in this example. Listen here. Inside this is a RA, RB, RC. So here RA, RB, RC. Is that right? So from here, what is the thing? RA is equal to RB is equal to RC is equal to 3 ohm. They have given us it, right? So automatically, here look at here. This is what is this RAB, and then RAC. Is it right? So anything you can take RAC or BC. So you can take anything, no problem. But all are equal. So likewise, RAB is equal to RBC is equal to RAC is equal to all are 18 ohm. That's all. 18 ohm simple. Is it right? So I just make a redraw here. So it's not 18 volt here. We can just do. So if I just take these three means, how will you consider? So RAB means here. So 3 cross 3. Is that right? So equivalent circuit is 3 cross 3. So you can just make out here RAB. So better you don't take this equation. Okay, so just make a small thing. So listen. So take the RAB, RAC, RBC. Okay. So first of all, RAB, that is equal to RARC. So that is a 3 into 3 plus RBA, RB. That also 3 into 3, and then afterwards plus 3 into 3. The whole divided by what is RC? RC is, that is the same thing. That is also 3. Is that right? So if you do something which is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27 by 3, that is equal to 9 ohm. So look at your RAC and RBC, all are having same parameters. So you can write RAB is equal to 9 ohm means that is also equal to RAC, that is also equal to RBC. Okay, so all the three will be getting the value of 9 ohm. I can write here 9 ohm, that's equals to 9 ohm, that's also is equal to 9 ohm. Don't consider. So now I'm just going to redraw the circuit. Okay, that is very simple. Then let's just make a complete check of thing. So here I'm going to read a circuit. So now I'm just going to rub off remaining. Okay, rub off the remaining. So now I consider this one. After redrawing the circuit, let me just redraw here in this way. So this is C, this is A, and then I can just mark here resistor. Here is it, right? There also one resistor available, and here also one resistor available. Okay, so this one is, you know, RAB, is it right? I'm sorry, this is not RAB, this is as usual 18 ohm. So this also 18 ohm, and this one is also 18 ohm here, is it right? Okay, yes. Now I just redraw circuit means, have you seen? So in this one, and afterwards next one here. So from here to here, thus I can have another resistor, and from here to here there's another resistor. So this also 9 ohm, and this also 9 ohm, and this is also said to be 9 ohm. So don't confuse here. This is a delta network. Okay, so you can ask me, so RAB is 18 ohm, right? Not like that. RAB is RAB also, AC also, and then it is going to be spread AB or AC also. Once after becoming start delta, this is 9 ohm. This as usually it will be 18 ohm. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, now we can make a redraw. So all listen here, 18 parallel 9, 18 parallel 9, 18 parallel. So I can make us 18 parallel 9. That's equal to, I hope you can multiply the two things, and then by adding the 2 to the denominator, so you can make it as 6 ohm find. Okay, that's all. Okay, the next one. So you can redraw the circuit one more time. So after the redrawing, so I can just write here, I can write here. So all will be 6 ohm. If you consider these two also, it will be 6 ohm. These two also, it will be a parallel 6 ohm. This two also, it will be 6 ohm. It will be 6, 6, and then afterwards 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm. We can make it as A as well as B as well as C. Okay, so once again the circuit can be modified. So we want to consider this A and B, is it right? Okay, so this one you have to consider. So these two are in the series. So are in series. So I can form. So this is a 6 ohm, and I can make this as the 12 ohm. This is the A as well as this is the B. No need to consider C. That is why I'm telling that these two are in the series, because you can ask me, this is a node. So there will be junction, no junction. If it is something is going, that means there is a junction. But C we don't consider. So because they are asking about the only A and B, so you can take it as both are series. So now both they are in parallel because this is the 1 point, this 1 point. You are getting etc. If both are parallel, okay. So this is equal to 12 parallel 6. So I can mention that 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, that is equal to 72 by 18, which is equal to 4 ohm. I can write this 4 ohm. So I can make the more than plus 4 ohm. That's all. Okay, that's about the question. Thank you. Okay.